Architects are often struggling with modeling roofs in Revit. And by the way, when you are creating the model of the roof in Revit, when you are drawing its shape, you should do it on a similar way like you are doing that in AutoCAD, for example. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create those two Japanese roofs in Revit. And if you would like to learn how, just stay and watch this tutorial till the end. And just before I move to the topic, if you would like to level up your Revit knowledge, we have over 4 hours of free Revit training, and you can find the access link in a video description. So in Revit, I will just open the second level, so that's the place where I'm going to model the roofs. And let's say that this is going to be the first roof which I'm going to model. So you see that we have the roof which goes this way, and then we have this. So as I promised, as I said at the beginning, you should draw its shape on the way like you're going to do the projection from the top, like let's say draw the lines in AutoCAD. So I will use a roof. So I will use a roof by footprint, and let's say that this roof is going to be 25 meters long and let's say 15 meters in width, maybe something like this. So then let's say that I would like to make, for example, in a projection, this distance here to be 5 meters. So I'm going to offset this for 5 meters on both sides. And by the way, it's pretty important to uncheck these define slopes, and I will select all those and we'll just go here and uncheck define slopes. So then let's draw the line by 45 degrees and the same here, and also the same at the bottom. Take a trim tool. Then we have to delete those lines, and let's say that the slope of the roof, this one should be, let's say, 30 degrees. So I'm going to select our sides where we are going to have the slope, define slope roofs, and just place the number of 30. So when I go to the 3D view, one part is done. So what we need to do next is to select our roof. To have, I'm in a second level, so I place the roof in a second level. That's why we see the cut. So I'm just going to open the side view, so it looks from higher above. And then I will select the roof. We'll go here to create similar. I would like to place it again to the second level, and let's just draw the shape. Or simply here, I can just pick the lines. And then because we have a 30 degrees, select this one at 30 degrees, and then select this roof, and then go here to the mirror. And from the middle of the roof, just place the mirror. So this roof is done. So you saw how simple it was to create it. And by the way, what's going on if you would like to create a roof like this? So for something like this, I will assume that, let's say, I will go again to the roof footprint, and I will assume that the footprint is 15 by 15 meters, for example. And then I am going to, let's say, make this part here to be 5 meters. So all of them around. So just pick line tools and go 5 meters, something like this. And then if you take a look at a picture, we have by 45 degrees in a projection from the top, here and here. So that's why I said, like, it's like you're drawing the shape from above. So take this line 45 degrees and then this one, and then simply trim it delete those two, and then this one could have, let's say, 15-degree slope. So just those two lines have a slope. We'll go to the side plan. You see how it looked like from above. Create similar to the second level. And then here I can just draw it like this. And then I will take peak lines. And I'm going to assign the slope here to those two shapes. So when I click fine, you see how it looked like. And it's actually quite easy and quite simple. So mainly in Revit, what should be built simple should be model simple. And if you would like to know more about creating roofs in Revit and how you can model different roof shapes, we created a roof playlist. So take a look at the videos there. And of course, if you have any questions about any of those videos, just feel free to write in the comments.